It was good of you to be here, Father. It would have meant the world to Patty. And to Stewie. It's curious, you know. When it looked as though the fire might take everything, I kept thinking of the most peculiar things. I didn't think of dying or the children. Or this beautiful house in ruins. All I could think about were my accounts. The socks I was knitting for Patty. The heart-shaped cake tins Frank made me years ago. How could I survive without them? The little things. Things which can't be replaced. It's too late. Like all my life. Too late for him. Too late for me. I can never take my Patty in my arms now. I can never say to him the only thing he ever wanted me to say, that I loved him. I do love him, Father.